Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at a feature which has been in great demand by many application developers for a long time. Though AgilePoint NX already provides you with a one-click deployment packaging of your app and its related artifacts like process model, forms, images, JavaScript, CSS, application level access tokens, and application specific configurations, an application can depend on shared components as well, which are used across multiple applications. Packaging the shared components and moving it automatically with the app can have undesired side effects, and it might break some other designer's app without his knowledge, and hence shared artifacts are never packaged with the base package of the application, and they should be moved carefully. However, that meant the person who is exporting the app may not be aware about which shared resources are being referenced in the app he is moving. On the system where the application is being imported, the person who is importing the app may not know the additional dependencies unless he has a checklist of sorts. Going forward, during the application import, we will be doing an automatic validation, and the person importing will see a report on what artifacts are missing in the target server so that he can fix the issues due to missing shared dependencies before importing the app. Moreover, before exporting, there is an option to view the report of the shared resources being referenced in the app so that they can act as a application migration checklist. So let's look at this feature. So I'm in my tenant number one. I'm going to go to build apps. And I have an app over here which is using all sorts of dependencies, shared ones. So I'm going to select this one, and you see a new option over here, app dependencies. So if you click on this button, it shows you the list of shared dependencies this app has. So it looks for all the data entities which are being referenced, any global level access tokens, any groups, roles, file group types, pick lists, predefined lists, shared attributes, languages which you might have used. And if you expand one of them, it gives you the name of the entity, for example, and which file is it being used in. Similarly, if I open the global access token, it gives me the name of the access token and which lookup or document repository connection it is being used in. So you get a complete visibility of this. You can save it as PDF, you can print it out as well. Now, when I'm exporting an app, this list is automatically packaged along with the app package, so that if I move now into a new tenant in a target environment, I have a blank tenant over here. I've moved some of the dependencies, but I left some of the dependencies out knowingly. So I'm going to go ahead and click import. I'll say select a file and select my app package. Click OK. Now, as I mentioned, it does a validation. It tells me that some dependencies are missing. So it tells me that the data entity named service request is missing, and it is being referenced in this file. Global access token, groups, roles, pick list, share attributes, these things are missing. And I can see the entire list. So if I say show all dependencies, it shows me the ones which have been already moved as well. So the ones over here, these are already present. So that's why it didn't show it by default. It is showing the list of only the missing ones. But if I wanted to see the entire list of dependencies while importing, I can see those. So again, if I uncheck it, it shows me only the ones which are missing right now. Now, as a person who is moving these applications, I have an option that I can say that continue with the import, and I'm going to fix this dependency after I have done with the import, or I can just cancel out of this thing. So if I say continue with the import, it is going to give me a warning that I'm doing this and errors may occur if I publish this application. I'm going to just go ahead and click OK, and I can see the app got imported in the environment. It is not yet published. You can fix the dependencies still. So you can just still select this thing and say, show me the list of dependencies. Thanks a lot for your time.